Hello guys, welcome back to Aditya Financial Insight. In this video, we are talking about the lazy llama token coin. You can share the guys. This is massive growth, 275% after the listing, and this token coin listing on today. So I will discussing about the all details in next slide. So you can share the 24-hour activity, 69% buy and 31% sell. That means it's hope it go more up. If you want to invest, you will contact your financial advisor. Then after you can trade and invest here. We call your money your safety. So its volume 426k, age 19 hours, and full liquidity 13.5k. Total supply 690 million Lama. So thank you guys. This video collaboration with the UVX UVS invitation code UMXAHK. Buy this code for the subscription and you will get more and more bonus. And if you want to invest and trade here, you can subscribe UVX. This is my second crypto partner BYET and my invitation code 143791. If you subscribe with my invitation code, you will got 100 USD dollar and you got more and more bonus in coming days. So thank you guys. Latest video information you can connect with the Financial Insight. Hit the bell icon for latest update. Thank you.